Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to use TapTap Send to send money. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Search for TapTap Send and download the application. Install the application on your phone. Step 2. Open the TapTap Send application once it is installed. If you are a new user, sign up by providing your phone number, name, and other required details. If you have an account already, simply log in with your credentials. Step 3. Set up your account. Verify your phone number by entering the code via SMS. Choose the country or choose the destination country. From the main screen, select the country you want to send money to. TapTap Send supports various countries in Africa, Asia, and more. So choose the appropriate country for the recipient. Step 5. Enter the amount to send. Enter the amount of money you want to send. The app will show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. TapTap Send typically offers low or no fees for many countries. Step 6. Add recipient's details. Add the recipient's details including their full name and mobile wallet or bank account, depending on the available options in the destination country. Step 7. Choose your payment method. Select your payment method. Typically, you can pay using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Enter your payment information. Step 8. Review and confirm the transaction. Review all the details of the transaction, including the recipient's information, the amount you're sending, and the exchange rate. Step 9. Complete the payment. Tap Send to finalize the payment. Depending on your payment method, you might be asked to verify transaction through two-factor authentication. Step 10. Notify the recipient. Step 11. Track the transfer. You can track the status of transfer directly in the TapTap Send application. TapTap Send will provide updates and you will receive a confirmation once the money is delivered. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.